One! Chop chop! We're late!
In today's video, we will show you how do we hand over a unit to a new tenant. We managed to arrive the condo on time and met the tenants. First, the tenants must fill up the resident registration and face scanning access forms. Some condos will also request the tenants to sign on the condo rules. These documents are in bilingual and required the residents' signatures. Different condos are using their preferred online applications for the residents to communicate with the juristic person. New residents has to join the chat room, inform the juristic person their names and room number. After the above procedures are done, we are ready to go to the unit together. We usually will get the tenants trying to use their face scanning access immediately for making sure it is working well. For the unit access, we will assist the tenants to reset a new passcode of the digital door lock. In some cases, if the digital door lock is too complicated, we need to make appointment with the condo technician to help. We will walk through the house condition with the tenants. We always clean the whole unit before the handover day. Wi-Fi installation can be arranged in advance with our assistants. Next step is to go through the inventory list. We itemized everything onto a list with updated photos. We will use this list again when the tenants move out. They are supposed to return everything to us. Normal wear and tear are acceptable. We also will show the tenants how to use the appliances. Usually the most complicated items are the washing machine with built-in dryer and the electric stove. The renting procedure started from signing a letter of intent to confirm the price and date, as well as if the tenants have any requests. Once the letter of intent signed, we will receive first month's deposit as a booking fee. Within 7 days after signing the letter of intent, we will sign the lease agreement. All these have been done earlier. Today, we will pass the keys and card to the tenant. We always keep a set of keys for emergency use in case the tenants lose any of them. After all the above process done, the tenant will transfer second month deposit and first month advance rent to us, which means before the tenant move in, they have to prepare 2 months deposit and 1 month advance rent, total 3 months, as you always pay the rent before staying. The inventory list is required the tenant's signature for confirming receipt all the items mentioned on the list. I will sign as a witness, as most of our landlords are foreign investors. They won't be able to witness the handover process. Next step is to settle the electricity and water bills.
When you check in, we take a photo of the electricity meter and water meter to record down like how many units we use. So we use 2 days meter reading minus of last meter reading. It shows we use 106 unit electricity. We base on 5.5 baht per unit to estimate the next bill that you have to pay. That's why I will pass you money now. We pay until today. And today onwards, it's like whatever you use. Yeah, for water, it's the same theory.
We will submit TN30 on behalf of the landlords for all our tenants, and we will be the communication channel between both parties during the whole tenancy period.
I have spare key with me, but of course we will not enter, it's illegal. If the digital door lock, let's say no battery, you forgot your card and then you forgot your password, is haywire, you call me, I send this to you.
It's better to have with you. Last year I faced the problem when the earthquake happened. I left my key in the office. I cannot go up to pick up the key. I called this agent, she don't have the key. I asked juristic office, they don't have key. So I walked 23 floors.
I have tenants, especially when they just move in, they forgot their password. And then they forgot to bring the card. They asked me, Sophia, what is my password? I don't know, but I have the key. I send Grab to you. After using, send back to me. So it's for emergency help. And as well as the mailbox key, I give you one. Because if I give both, right, sometimes both gone, I have to change lock. Yeah, now if you lose it, then I still can copy, only 60 baht. Okay, then we keep everything. Thank you. This is yours. And then your money.
The last step is to show the tenants where is the fire exit, where to dispose trash, and their mailbox location.
Very nice to meet you.
Sophia.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
I really like your service, very professional.
Thank you. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Contact Mommy if you need any help. Add her on WhatsApp or line chat. Please subscribe our channel, like and share.
We are Sophia and Comigo, the property agents and property agents in Bangkok.